Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a special little friend who loves to be able to play in the dark and have lights to play with. And so this Starbelly Dream Lite's little green dragon, she has been absolutely loving it. One thing that I really like about this dragon is it's like a stuffed toy. So whenever she takes it around, plays with it, it's soft to cuddle with, to play with, to lay up against. But at the same time, she can hide in the dark if she wants to, or whenever she's laying down at night, she can push this little button and it's easy to operate. So all you have to do is to push the little star on the belly and then the light turns on. And as you can see, it has all different types of stars and shapes, and it puts those up on the ceiling or on the wall, whichever way it's pointed. And then you can press the button again and then the light changes. Another thing that I really like is that the batteries aren't really too hard to get to, but at the same time it keeps it safe from children. So you just open it up here in the bottom, and it has a little screw right there where you can pull that, take that out, and then put the batteries in. So if you're looking for a cute, soft, stuffed animal, but at the same time something that they can use to be able to have some lights at nighttime, whether they're afraid of the dark or they just enjoy being in the dark and looking at the stars, I highly recommend this little animal. And that is just my point of view.